normality, molarity, molality. Now we are going to see some problem. How many milliliter of 5.5 m NaOH are needed to prepare 300 milliliter of 1.2 m? The given data, volume V is equal to 300 milliliter, 5.5 m and 1.2 m. So the 2m value is given. Take it as m1 and m2, v1 and v2. To find this, how many milliliter of 5.5 m? We need volume. So 5.5 m1 into v1 is equal to 1.2 m2 into v2. We have to compare these both. Then the volume for v2 is 300. So substitute the value for 300. Then v1 is equal to 65 ml. As the unit given here is in ml, so the unit for volume is milliliter. Let's move on to the next question. A solution of caustic soda contains 20% NaOH by weight. Take density of the solution as 1.196 kg per liter. Find the normality, molality and molarity. The given data is 20 kg of NaOH, that is weight is equal to 20 kg, and density is equal to 1.196 kg per liter. This is the given data. We have to find normality, molality and molarity. The formula used for normality, molality and molarity is, see, for normality the formula is gram equivalent of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. In the given data, the solute is NaOH because when solute combined with solvent, we get solution. So the solute here is 20. Overall solution take basis as 100 kg. So 100 minus 20 is equal to 80, that is solvent. Then to find gram equivalent of solute, the formula is weight by equivalent weight. To find equivalent weight, the formula is molecular weight by valency. Then to find molecular weight, what we have to find the molecular weight for NaOH. For Na it is 23 and O is 16 and H is 1. Calculate the value, you will get 40. Then the valency for NaOH is 1. So 40 by 1. So the equivalent weight is 40. Then after finding equivalent weight, find gram equivalent of solute. The formula is weight by equivalent weight. The weight value is 40 divided by equivalent weight is, weight value is 20 divided by equivalent weight is 40. Substitute this value, you will get 0.5 kg. The unit for gram equivalent is should be in gram. So convert kg to gram, that is 500 gram. Then for finding normality, the formula we have already seen, gram equivalent of solute by volume of solution in liter. We have found gram equivalent of solute, that is 500 gram divided by volume of solution in liter. To find volume of solution, we know that density is equal to mass by volume. Then volume is equal to mass by density. Here the density of the solution value is given. So mass of the solution divided by density of the solution. The formula for volume is equal to mass of the solution divided by density of solution. Mass of the solution is said to be 100 kg divided by the density value. the given data is 1.196. Substitute the value, you will get 83.62 liter. Then on substituting these value in normality formula, you get 5.98 N, that is unit for normality. Then molarity. Formula for molarity is gram mole of solute divided by volume of solution in liter. What is the formula for mole? Mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. So, we know that the weight value is 20 divided by molecular value is 40. So, 500 mole divided by volume of solution in liter, that is same value will be obtained, but the unit is molarity, so M. Then molality. The formula for molality is gram mole of solute divided by mass of solvent in kg. Gram mole we have already found, so 500 divided by mass of solvent we found, that is 100 minus 20 is equal to 80. So mass of solvent in kg, so 80. Then the value is 6.25 gram mole, so unit is mole, divided by mass of solvent in kg, so unit is kg. So unit for molality is mole per kg. Next problem. What are the mole fraction of the components of the solution formed when 92 gram glycerol is mixed with 90 gram water? Here the given data is the weight of glycerol is 92 gram and the weight of water is 90 gram. We have to find this mole fraction. First of all, before finding mole fraction, what is the formula for mole? Mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. Then the formula for mole fraction is mole by total mole. So, we have seen the formula. Then substitute the value for mole. Mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. Why we have to find mole? To find mole fraction, we need mole. Here the weight value is given. So, by using weight value, we have to find mole. For this, the formula is mole is equal to weight by molecular weight. We know we have to find mole of water. So, the water weight value is 90. Weight value for water is 90. Then 90 divided by molecular weight. H2O. So, H is 1. So, 1 into 2 plus O 16. So, 18. By calculating, you get 5 kilomole. Then, mole of glycerol. Same as that. The weight of glycerol is 92. Then, find molecular weight. C3H8O3. Find the molecular weight for glycerol. Then 92 by 92 by calculating we get 1 kilomole. To find mole fraction, before finding mole fraction we have to find total mole. Total mole is equal to mole of water plus mole of glycerol, that is 5 plus 1 6. Then substitute mole fraction of water is equal to, what is the mole value of water? It is 5 divided by total is 6. So, by calculating, we found the answer, that is 0.83. Then, for finding mole fraction of glycerol, the mole of glycerol is 1 divided by total mole is 6. So, the value is, by calculating, we found the value is 0.16. On to the next problem. Determine the percentage composition by mass of a 100 gram salt solution which contains 20 gram of NaCl salt. Here we have to find percentage, that is mass percentage. The given data is 100 gram salt solution and 20 gram of NaCl. To find mass percentage, the formula is mass by total mass into 100. Here the mass is NaCl. So mass of NaCl is 20 gram divided by total mass, that is the salt solution they have given, that is 100 into 100. By calculating we get 20. So the mass percentage is 20. Thank you.